Hey, traders, especially non-members. If you are a member, you can totally ignore this video. You can skip it. I'm opening something that I do for the members up to the general public, at least for the subscribers on YouTube. So I'm looking for about 100 tickers, not more. I do this every week, every Sunday for all the members, and we do a 2-hour webinar to cover it. So what do? We review 150 tickers, 120, 160. It all depends. We do it on Sunday morning. So this time, what I'm going to do is I'm going to ask you for your tickers. I'm going to send you a form. It'll be in the link below in the description, or I'll try to pop it up here on the screen somewhere. I'm not that good at it, so look for a tiny little bubble that says like a letter I or something, but it's definitely in the description below. Now, what comes out of it is a list that looks like this, and this is the list from this past Sunday. It will have your ticker, comments if I had, and a live link to the chart that goes along with that ticker. And I usually break it up into 3 videos. If I have time, I will do the same for non-members as well. So again, this is a one-time thing to see how well it's received and if we can repeat it, or to entice you to reach out and see if you want to be a part of the community. So anyway, why do I do this now, not before? You've been members on YouTube for a long time, seeing some videos that I've done. Some you may have liked, some you may have ticked you off because I may have had an opinion that didn't match your expectations. But we are at inflection points in the stock market. We're looking at the SPX. We could be approaching a bottom, or we could be opening a Pandora's box. So the opinions are bifurcated. So you have experts that say we're going to have a calamity like nobody's business, and you have experts that say we're going to have a rally like you wouldn't believe. So who to believe? I believe charts, and the charts do tell me that both scenarios are possible. Right now, the doom scenario is more likely because that's what's going on. Drop, rally, drop, rally, sold, etc. But we are hitting levels that matter more than levels up here. This level was all BS on the back of ARK type mentality investing out of the pandemic and trillions of dollars of free money from the government. Yay! Helicopter Ben should not be called Helicopter Ben anymore because he did 470 billion. Pff, poor fella. 470 billion for TARP to save the world from financial collapse in 2008. This time they do what, 8 trillion, and they go, whoa, inflation, where did that come from? It's transitory. No, wait a minute, it's not fucking transitory. That was an R in there. I promise. It wasn't. In fact, we're panicking. Panic. That's the Fed talking, not me. So this is the pre-pandemic high. And that was pretty high at the time, right? It was an all-time high. It came out of nowhere and was like, what are you guys doing? And then, oh, wait, we have COVID. And then, no, wait, we have free money. No, we have more free money. Woo. Crazy stuff. So now we're not even back to here. Silly video. I promise you, it's a serious note. This could mean disaster, or it could mean the unexpected. So here's one statement. Nothing is going on to plan this year from every expert out there. So do expect the unexpected, up or down. The down is easier because it's happening. These last few days have been astonishingly harsh. Not like my feelings are hurt. Look at these candles, and you can look back and judge for yourself. Look, giant drop, gap, giant drop, gap, giant drop. One green candle, giant drop. And today was a giant drop, whatever it was, 3 to 5% down on all the indices. That is phenomenal. So look to see if you see any candles like this. You won't find them, I promise you. This was the opposite, giant rallies. Look at that. I mean, these are giant drops. This is close. When was that? Oh, pandemic. Okay, so we closed the world, and this is close. And I actually had somebody in the chat room, good people, yesterday or 2 days ago say, I haven't seen capitulation yet. Maybe it was in a conference call. I don't know. I said, well, what do you consider? If that's not capitulation, what is that? So this was the pandemic first leg down, and it was pretty scary. And then we took the second leg down, and nobody was thinking about money anymore because everybody thought that we were going to be dying. But look back, none. these are not the same. These are just consistently red days, not giant drops out of nowhere. So it is unusual. It hasn't happened before, not in this scenario. We don't have that scenario from before. So what am I saying? You need every help you can get. And if this guy here, yours truly, can offer an opinion on a stock from just, hey, here's what I think of this chart, not here's what you should do with the chart. For example, this is the head and shoulder that triggered this one. This one had a 3600 target, and we've had that for weeks. And I was hoping we wouldn't get there, but here we are approaching it. 3666, ominous. And there's more pain if they want them, like these. What is this? Luckily, we had these. So these two kind of like cancel each other out. So not necessary to go there. This could be quadruple witching tomorrow. You may be seeing this video tomorrow. So again, if you're already a member, no need to do anything. If you're not a member, you just watch these videos and you don't pay for them, which is fine. I love having you here. This is your opinion. This is your opportunity to click on the link, tell me the tickers you want, and I'll hit you up with an email with all the information, the link to the video and everything. I will need your email, so that's the only thing. You can tell me your name is Bob Hope for all concerned, but it'd be nice to know your first name at least. Okay? Hopefully that helps.